Marami tayong kwento na nabuo. Sa bawat destinasyon ay may iba't ibang istorya. Sa ating biyahe, hindi lang ang destinasyon ang mahalaga.
I see the crossroads coming up ahead. A choice I make, but haven't made yet. Why do pathways feel so threatening? What ifs are never ending?
I've joined a few loops organized by our club, and so far ang pinakamasaya at memorable for me is the Mindoro Loop. Kasi yung Mindoro Loop, maiksi lang yung papunta sa pier, yung getting to the island, and most of the traveling is done doing the loop. Ang sarap ng ride, maganda yung kalye, sementado, maayos, konti lang yung traffic, so you really get to enjoy the island. Ang mga memorable na napuntahan namin sa Mindoro is first and foremost yung Infinity Farm. Yung Infinity Farm, what made it special is because there's a lot of water coming from the mountain top, ang lamig nung hangin na dinadala niya. So the whole resort was actually very cold and very pleasurable. No? The second place that I remember that was very nice is yung Devil's Mountain. Yung Devil's Mountain, kakaiba siya talaga. It's not something you will find in the main island of Luzon. So kailangan dayuhin mo siya sa Mindoro. And looking at that place alone actually makes that whole trip very much worth it. So again, that whole experience is very memorable, and yes, I'd like to do it again. Thank you.
Hi, ako nga pala si Mona. So, isa sa most memorable na ride ko siguro sa with Motorcycle Republic and with Motor Republic is yung Bataan Loop nung March 1. So, it's my first super long ride as lady rider kasi hindi naman ako ganun ka-frequent mag-ride talaga. Medyo seasonal lang yung ride ko. It was fun kasi dati sobrang takot ako sa mga twisties kasi siguro trauma from the previous mga semplang ko, ganyan. Pero it was the time na na-conquer ko na yung fear. It's fun to ride with friends kasi yung support system nandun, hindi ka matatakot kahit siguro magka-trouble yung motor mo or masiraan ka, mabagal or mabilis ka, nandun yung support system nila sa'yo, hindi ka nila iwan. Bukod sa tropa ka nila and bukod sa lady rider ka, andun talaga yung camaraderie nyo as a group. So after kasi ng loop, parang you crave more sa mga loop. Sana mas marami pang loop to come. So mas long ride pero mas masaya siya.
So matagal na rin akong kasama ng Motor Republic, more than a year na. Pero ang pinaka-memorable sa akin na ride is our Mapanuepe ride, or Lake Mapanuepe ride in San Marcelino, Zambales. Bakit siya memorable? Kasi it's, actually I think it's the only second time na may moto camping sa Motor Republic. I'm one of the organizers of that ride. And yeah, kasama rin yung family ko, kasama rin yung mga ibang riders natin. Ang ganda na experience. For sure, babalik kami doon.
Ang pinaka-memorable ride ko sa Motor Republic is yung nag-sign up kami for Loop, North Loop, which is supposed to be iikot kami hanggang Baler. Since that time, meron tayong bagyo, which is Pipito yata. And then, instead na ituloy namin from Bigan to Pagudpod, nag-decide na lang kami nila boss na mag-stop na muna kami ng Pagudpod, and then babalik na lang ulit kami at mag-stay one night sa La Union. Ang maganda lang doon is parang ka-experience ka na nagmumotor kayo, tapos biglang sa hindi mo inaasahan, meron palang mga bigla ang mangyayari tulad yan na magkakaroon ng bagyo, tapos hindi matutuloy. Doon mo makikita na parang kahit man merong kayong danasin sa on the way na mga bagyo, hindi ka pa rin parang matatakot or hindi ka madidisappoint kasi yung mga kasama mo is lagi silang positive, may positive vibes. At saka lalong nabubuo yung samahan namin dahil doon mo nakikita yung pagmamalasakit nyo sa isa't isa.
So we invite everyone. So bagong rider ka, dating rider ka, lady rider ka, come, join us sa Motor Republic. So kung naghahanap kayo ng kasama niyo sa ride, gusto niyo ng rides, gusto niyo ng short ride, long ride, loop ride, so come and join us.
I think anyone na gusto mag-ride, mag-fit dun sa mga ano namin, yung mga rides namin. And it's actually every week, may ride kami every week. So ganun ka-enjoy sumama sa Motor Republic.
Sa ating biyahe, hindi lang ang destinasyon ang mahalaga, kundi ang mga aral, karanasan, at mga taong nakilala at nakasama natin sa daan. Sa bawat destinasyon, natutunan nating magtiwala, magpasalamat, at higit sa lahat ay
Feel
magpatuloy.
your arms around me, yeah, let it sink in. Yeah, I just let it sink in. You and me, wonder how it feels to have you cheek to cheek. But this is not reality, or let it sink in. Yeah, I just let it sink in. Always changing all this.
Over the years, ang dami-dami na natin na-experience as a motorcycle rider. Ang dami nating rides and lahat sila talagang very memorable para sa akin. Isa dito is yung general na car na ride namin. Isa siya sa mga favorite ko talaga kasi yun yung time na talagang nag-connect kami sa mga riders eh. Kasi away kami sa mga technology. As in, walang signal, nag-camping kami, nagkaroon kami ng mga luto-luto rin doon. And sa lahat ng ride, syempre, hindi naman laging smooth ang biyahe. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na yung mga kasama mo is tamang tao kasi alam mo maaasahan mo sila. Nandyan sila sa hirap at ginawa talaga. So, thank you sa pagsama sa amin, mga kapatid. Talagang nagsimula tayo as a pare-parehas lang na passionate riders. Pero ngayon, isang pamilya na tayo na nabuo na talaga namang hindi na mapag-iwalay. So, at the end of the day, it's not about the journey naman eh. It's not about the places, the beautiful places, and the good food na kinakain natin. It's about the bond and yung love na nabuo natin as a family. Talagang yon hindi mananakaw sa atin and i-cherish natin buong buhay natin. So, my name is Zoy and nagpapaalala sa inyo, life is not a race. Take it slow and cherish every moment. Ride safe.
On behalf of our team, special shout out kay Boss Hans, which is my partner. We are so grateful that we were allowed to share our motorcycle stories and travels with the whole Philippines. Sobrang ang nararamdaman ko right now is, from the day that we started, Motorcycle Republic, up to now, yung trajectory natin pataas pa rin. And I'm looking forward to more travels and more rides and more community features. Hindi naman dito nagtatapos ang kwento ng Motorcycle Republic. Ang goal ng Motorcycle Republic talaga is featuring mga riders and the ride destinations. Sa lahat ng sumusuporta na Camera House, Moto Market, Moto World, VS1 Mototech, mga kasama natin, KTM Philippines, Best Bakikays, Motobox, Enduro Factory, Moto Camp, Ride Academy. Special shoutout to you guys kay Boss Pao, kay Miss Che, tsaka kay Coach Edsel, tsaka of course, kay Trina, which is our partner as well na sobrang mahal na mahal ko yung team natin. Coaches natin, Sir Dan and Sir Martin, KTM Philippines, Sir Ryan Chow. Sobrang thankful ako kasi imagine yung gear namin, sinusupport niya. Overwhelming yung pasasalamat ko to everyone that supports us. Natutunan din namin sa journey na to, like yung mga riding styles and riding tips and safety tips. Sana ma-retain nyo yan. Sana don't forget to wear your helmet and your gear and be safe always kasi ang goal natin as riders is to go back home safe sa family natin and that is what we want to do for all of you guys. I want everyone to be safe. In behalf of Motorcycle Republic and Motor Republic, I would like to thank everyone that supports us. Our journey is gonna just move forward. Kung saan tayo makakarating, magkakasama tayo, and I love you all. Thank you, and always ride safe.
At sa bawat pagtatapos ng isang paglalakbay, isang bagong simula ang sa atin naghihintay.
Abangan niyo pa kami sa mga susunod naming ride with Motorcycle Republic.
Yes.
See you sa Bali!
See you sa Bali!